Ever accidentally brushed your Sony A7 IV's touchpad and thrown off your shot or settings? Today, we're diving deep into how to master the touchpad on your Sony A7 IV, giving you the control you deserve by either disabling it entirely or customizing it to perfectly suit your shooting style. First, let's get to the settings. Press the menu button on your camera. Navigate to the setup menu. Look for the icon that resembles a toolbox or a gear. Within the setup menu, scroll down until you find the operation customize or a similarly named option, often indicated by a camera icon with settings. Select touchpad settings or an equivalent. This is where the magic happens. You'll likely see options to enable or disable the touchpad for complete control. Simply toggle the touchpad off. This is the quickest way to prevent any accidental adjustments. But what if you want to leverage its power? Scroll down further. In the touchpad settings, you can often assign specific functions to the touchpad, like switching between focus modes or adjusting ISO with a quick swipe. For instance, you might choose to assign the left side of the touchpad to control your focus area, and the right side to adjust your zoom. Experiment to find what feels most intuitive for you. Once you've made your desired changes, simply exit the menu. Your touchpad is now either disabled or working precisely as you've programmed it. Mastering the touchpad means a smoother, more efficient shooting experience. You've just taken a significant step in customizing your Sony A7 IV to be an extension of your creative vision.